Hey guys, so I'm posting a correction to my work on example 5. So as I was doing this in class with you guys, I remembered that I didn't finish the problem when I did it in the video. So we start out the same way. This is 6, this is our radius, and we're looking for the perimeter of the circle, the quarter circle. So when I calculated circumference divided by 4, what I was only calculating was just the curved part. That's the circumference, 1/4 of the circumference. So when you divide circumference by 4, you're only calculating the circumference of that curved part. So pi times diameter, 12 divided by 4, gives you, as I said, 3 pi, but that's only the green part. You then also have to add in the, I'll do them in yellow, the 2 yellow portions, because perimeter is the sum of all the outside dimensions. So you have a 6 and another 6. So your final answer in terms of pi is 3 pi plus 12. This would be your perimeter for part A. For part B, you're going to put that into your calculator and round to the nearest tenth. And that'll be 21.4 centimeters. All right, sorry about that. And I will see you guys in a couple days. Thanks.